welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I have a bunch of glitters that I need to organize, and also these are a lot of the glitters that I'm going to be including in the giveaway. So the giveaway is going to be at 1,000 subscribers. What you have to do to enter the giveaway is to subscribe to me here on YouTube. Make sure that you are publicly subscribed. And yeah, that is it. Just subscribe. I got these beautiful glitters from HCS Nail Art. I found them on Instagram. They're based out of the UK. And yeah, these are beautiful, beautiful glitters. I absolutely love them. These little jars that I'm putting them into are going to go into my rolling cart. I have those rolling carts from Michael's. I know a lot of you guys have those too. And all my glitters are in little canisters, these little jars. And I flip them upside down if the lid isn't transparent so that I can see the glitter. And I like to organize the glitters according to color. And then the little baggies that I have of extra glitter I put in storage so I can easily see everything. And yeah, I thought you guys would enjoy this video. These little jars I did get from Amazon a long time ago. I forgot the link. I don't even think that they're available anymore, but if you guys look at like little cosmetic plastic jars, you will find them. And also I ended up running out of these little ones. These ones are 0.5 ounces, and I had to switch to the 1 ounce ones, which I usually save for giveaways and stuff when I want to give away some acrylics. So I had to switch it up to those. You guys will see. So I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel to enter the giveaway. And I hope you guys enjoy these beautiful glitter organization. Let me know how you guys like to organize your glitters. I would love to know. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I hope everybody is safe and well. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye. Thank you.